Duck at the Door, written by Jackie Urbanovic, retold by Jake.
Knock, knock, knock. Who could that be in the middle of a cold winter night? It's a duck covered in snow.
The animals and Irene brought the duck inside. The duck's name was Max. He loved the spring, so he thought he would like the winter. At first, it took Max a while to learn everything, like the phone, the TV, and how to drink out of a cup.
But after a few months, it was clear that Max knew way too much. Max did not want to share the TV remote, and he made weird meals for all the other animals. But one day, Max burst into the room saying, "My flock is back." Duck decided to leave, and his new friends missed him. You could check this book out at your very own library and read to find out if Duck comes back.